How to reverse or remove products from an account sale in AAAPOS RetailManager. Press F6 or choose Sales from the transaction menu to open the sales window. Enter the relevant staff and customer details for the sale you want to reverse. Scan in the items that are being refunded. In the quantity field, enter a negative quantity to indicate that the items are being refunded, for example, -1, -2, etc. To refund any freight that was charged on the original sale, enter the freight item code. Enter the amount charged in the cell field. Enter a negative quantity in the quantity field to indicate a refund. If there was any discount on the original sale, enter it in the discount field. Do not enter it as a negative percentage. The system will automatically calculate it as a negative amount if necessary, for example, for a 10% discount. In the payment details frame, choose the payment method, account. Press Enter. Once all the details are entered correctly, commit the transaction to complete the refund. When you go to send a customer statement, your customer will now clearly see both the original invoice and the negative invoice that reverses it. If the invoice has been fully reversed and you don't want these transactions to display on the customer's statement, you can cancel them out. Go to the top menu and click Transaction Debtor Payments. Find the customer, then select the original and negative invoice. Process each payment. The two invoices will cancel each other out and no longer appear as outstanding on the statement.